Hello friends, good morning, and this is an announcement for a new DevOps training batch which is we're going to start from January 5th. As you can see on the screen, this will be a real-time training, friends, and we're going to start from Jan 5th from morning 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And as you can see, the first three classes are very much free. You can attend to understand how my teaching is, whether you are unable to or you're able to understand my training, how it will really helps you. I'm going to answer all your questions. On the right side, you can see we have like various topics which we are going to discuss as part of this 2 months training. So to further go inside, right? So as you can see, it is going to start from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And let's understand what you will get out of this course. Once you complete this course, right? These are the few things which you are going to really get good at, because you're going to get a real-time hands-on experience in DevOps tools, friends. That means you know how to deal with the Terraform, you understand how to deal with the shell scripting, and also you also become basically good with Python as well. So with that knowledge, right, you can actually target 50% to 100% hike in your current salary. Imagine you are getting 10 lakhs, you can directly ask for 20 lakhs, right? So apart from that, as you know, DevOps and site reliability jobs are very, very high paying, starting from 20 lakhs to 60 lakhs, actually depends on experience. So if you are very good with this DevOps tools, which I'm going to teach you, right, because we're going to discuss, as you see, like Jenkins, Azure DevOps, Terraform, as well as shell scripting, as well as Python basics, right? If you're good with this, right, so the market is looking for the people like that. So you can easily ask from 20 to 60 lakhs. Apart from that, imagine you are a fresher and you want to make your career into cloud DevOps and SR engineers, right? So you are in the right place. You need to go through that. This will be a 2 months intensive training. So if you put all your effort, you can do that. And finally, there are a lot of people who belong to the other domains, like they can be a QA engineers, developers, data warehousing engineers, so which belong to a different domain, even a non-technical people also who want to make their career as a cloud and DevOps and SRE roles, right? This will be very, very helpful for them. Okay, so now let's understand further. So when we are planning this course, we are planning from January 5th 2026. We have another 10 days to start, and the duration is 2 months, friends. It's a big course, it's a 2 months, and the timings will be 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Sometimes it will go to even 8:15 as well. Now the class will be on both weekdays and weekends, because we're going to cover a large amount of syllabus. So then in that case, I need to take classes on weekdays and weekends as well. Then only we can complete. And we're going to discuss this in English. Now, if you further come down, so what are the dependencies you need to have in order to do these courses? You need to have a basic understanding of AWS and Azure, which I'm going to give it to you. Give a high level overview. And the fees for this course will be 15,000, which is a single payment. If you want to do in two installments, you can do it in 2 into 10,000. And this is my email address and the details. And this is a meeting ID. So you can directly copy this meeting ID and directly join. And as I said, like the first three classes are free. Anybody can join and decide it whether you want to continue or not. I'm very much sure that if you are able to understand what I'm saying, it will be really a game changer for you for your career. Now, I have given some demo videos. This is kind of old videos, but it's okay to check it out how my teaching will be. So if you go and check it out here, right? So as you can see, these are some demo videos. If you get some time, look into that. And I also provided you with the syllabus. If I copy this syllabus and let me access this syllabus. And you see, I'm calling as a DevOps. I can call it DevSecOps also, because I have security as well. So it's a phase one. It's a 70 hours course, guys. So, and it'll be 2 months. Now, and if you see, these are almost like 11 to 12 modules. We're going to start with shell scripting. We're going to discuss in depth into shell scripting. And then I'm going to teach you about Python fundamentals and fast API basics. Because if you know a little bit about Python, that will be really helpful for your career. And then further going, we have like a version control with Git and GitHub. We have Terraform and Packer, and we have Docker and Docker Swarm orchestration. And also, I'm going to give an overview about Kubernetes as well. And we have Ansible and Puppet. And finally, we're going to discuss about Jenkins and Azure DevOps, and also security tools, and also built-in monitoring. So overall, and apart from that, when I'm teaching about this here version control, I'm going to talk about like GitHub actions as well. So if you are able to complete this kind of real-time hands-on training, right, I don't see any reason you can basically clear any sort of a DevOps interview. So again, friends, when we're going to start from January 5th, morning 7 to 8 a.m. First three classes are free. It's very much free to join. Try to join and understand what I'm saying. I can answer all your doubts, career related, technical wise on that day. So thank you for watching this video. Let's catch up in our training and have a great day ahead.